Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a very simple nail look. We're gonna start prepping my nails. I'm using a trailer from Young Nails. Here you can see me doing that for a while. Here you can see me take all the excess glue from the nails, wrapping everything to get a smooth surface. I did purchase a Kawi nail kit with 6 polishes in it. It's from Amazon. You will see me showing off the 6 colors, and also I will be using the polishes on my mannequin hand because this product is new to me and I will be testing out the polish. I do use Kawi nail glue gel to apply the tips, but the nail polishes are new to me. Remember, I am not a professional, I'm just doing my nails at home, DIY style, and enjoying it. If I have to review this nail polish, to my liking, it was a little bit thick, but it did work out at the end. If you're doing your nails at home, leave a comment. Let me know how you are liking it and what's the reason you did start doing your own nails. I end up going with a mixture of both nail polish, and now we are going to start applying the nail polish to my tips. The main reason I started to do my own nails is because it became so expensive, and I enjoy doing my own nails. It really relaxes me when I am applying my polish or doing any designs. Doing my own nails is me time. I enjoy it very much. Here I am applying the top coats to the nails. You will see the finished look in a while. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!